this video, I wanted to try a few different things. I got some heavyweight black paper. I also got some metallic pins. The other thing I wanted to do in this project was experiment with turning SVGs into G-code directly. Drawing inspiration from the Chinese dragon on my Ender 3 3D printer, I'm going to turn an SVG into G-code. I realized this was very slow. My first attempt at this took an hour and a half. I basically took all the individual paths inside of the SVG and drew them one by one with my 3D printer and its pen attachment. To make this go faster, I processed the SVG further. So for each of the individual paths, I actually merged them together with adjacent paths with a very small connecting line. This allows me to draw the entire SVG image with one stroke. This drastically speeds it up to only 10 minutes now. One of the things you'll notice about these metallic pens is that they have a relatively large tip. Even after I adjusted the contact point with the paper very carefully, the line is much thicker than it with a ballpoint pen. So here, in addition to the silver on black drawing, I made a second drawing using a red ballpoint pen. I like them both. You can see the silver metallic gives a really interesting look, whereas the ballpoint pen drawing shows all the detail in the original SVG. If you like this drawing, check out some of my other projects here on my channel.